All right, guys, here's your tips and tricks on solving exponents. I'm going to go ahead and do the first four problems on this paper, and that should help you with any of the remaining problems that are similar. In number one, when it asks you to write it in word form, it's just asking for you to name the base, so 9, and then name the exponent. So that 2 stands for the word squared. When you're writing in expanded form, they're asking you to expand the base as many times as the exponent tells you. So that means you're doing 9 times 9. In number two, the true and false fix if incorrect. It's really important that you make sure you do both sets of directions. So for true false, I'm actually going to resolve it on my own. So I'm going to expand 12 3 times for the exponent of 3. I know 12 times 12 is 144, but I also need to multiply it again by 12. So that already tells me that this is false. So I'm going to circle that, and I'm going to leave this question mark for you to solve for the new fix if incorrect 144 times 12. Show the expanded form of the problem and solve in number 3. So I'm going to expand first 3 times 3, and then I'm going to solve it, and I know that 3 times 3 is 9. Solve this number sentence, number 4. So you have two sets of exponents. You have 11 squared plus 2 to the 4th power. So I'm going to start by expanding 11 times 11 and getting 121. Now that's only half of the work, so I'm going to highlight that so I don't forget it. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to expand 2 4 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And so when I do 2 times 2, I get 4. And when I do the other 2 times 2, I get 4. And then I also need to multiply those 2 4s to get my 16. So I'm going to take that 16 and I'm going to add it to my 121. And I'm going to get my final answer of 137. And I'm going to circle it. So in numbers 5 through 10, you should see pretty similar problems. I see in number 7 and 10, you're doing comparing. So when comparing, you're going to solve for the exponent, and then you're going to tell me what answer is greater than, less than, or equal to. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you have all 10 problems completed and that you turn it into Canvas.